What's happening, everybody? This your partner, Casey, and just gonna talk a little bit about Hexo. The stock has been ugly, but ugly can be pretty too. So it is what it is. A lot of us, been just looking at the how volatile that stock is. And I first got a hold to it. It was around by $6 and some change, and I saw how it dropped from like $8. So I figured, hey, it might be a time to buy. I got a little some, and it just started going down because right now the whole industry is just it just took a big hit. So I wouldn't cry about it. Now I would prefer, in my opinion, I want to buy a company that I feel like is going to last at least, because some of these smaller companies, I feel like they're going to go out of business. They're going to go bankrupt or something. But you got Canopy Growth, just to touch on that a little bit, got a suspension because they've been growing in unlicensed facilities. So, and then Hexo was doing pretty much the same thing, but they told on themselves and destroyed those plants in the unlicensed facility that they had. So at least the license did get suspended, So they just pretty much got a slap on the wrist, and it costs because you got to, they destroyed a bunch of plants, but at the same time we didn't get a suspension. So, but all the stocks dropped. All of them just took a drop all across the board. All of the cannabis stocks just, just looking crazy. And Hexo went down, to about $4 and some change. I'm thinking, okay, this is the bottom. Got to be close. And every day, just steady dropping and dropping and dropping. Went down to about $2. Saying, well, okay, it's got to be it. Then went under $2. I feel like that was the perfect opportunity for somebody to come in and get at least 1,000 shares. Even now at $2.15, I feel like it's a good time for somebody to come in, and make a purchase. Even if your average cost is high, it might be a good idea to make a purchase now. Why is that $2.15? Bring down that average cost, per stock. You might want to bump that down. I'm pretty sure it's some people that just sold and accepted that loss, but I don't like taking losses like that. I just ride it on out. And when they get to the bottom, just I'd rather buy some more. There's been a lot of people I know being mad, pissed off by Hexo, and I'm one of them because I'm looking at my phone every day and I'm just watching, you know, just negatives every single day. Like, then one day last week, we took, it jumped, you know, U.S. signed a bill to decriminalize, um, to decriminalize the plant, so I guess everybody just started buying stocks, and then it turned around Friday and dropped again a little bit. So it's just gonna be up and down. I think it's safe to buy now. Um, I think Hexo is not gonna be one of the companies that go bankrupt. I think they can handle, their situation. And you got some of the consumers, that can grow at the house for their personal use. So that's kind of keeping the market, that's keeping it a little slower out there. But with all the different products, with the beer, the contract with Coors, the CBD that's going to be infused in the beer, then you got the edibles. You got different products that these people they can't make those at the house the way, the dispensary is gonna be making them. So I think we're gonna be all right. Even if we gotta wait till this time next year, you know, this time 2 years later, I think we'll be looking good, especially if we purchasing, around where we are now. Like $2.15. It's gonna be interesting to see what happens this week. A lot of people think, the stocks are gonna really come up, but I wouldn't be scared to buy, at this time. And so, I mean, do your research, do your due diligence, though, always, because nobody knows. When the analysts were saying, way the buy was way up, the percentage of them that was saying it's a good time to buy was way up. It dropped. Now they're saying hold, don't sell, and pretty much don't buy. But I'm seeing it as a lot of times when they say don't buy, a lot of times it's a good time to buy. The stock might be low, so they're saying don't buy because maybe, hey, we don't know what's going on because it's kind of crazy right now. But a lot of the investors we know is when it's risky and when it's low, that's the time to buy. So gotta do your own due diligence, study as much as you can, and you know, scary money don't make no money. I'm gonna ride it on out. If it go down to $1, I'm just gonna buy some more. So hopefully everybody is making money or at least invested into something that's gonna make money. Be patient and wish y'all the best. I don't make a lot of videos, but if anybody have anything they want to comment or just want to join my channel, subscribe, and we'll talk a lot more about certain stocks. We'll talk about real estate. We'll talk about finance. Anything. I spend a lot of time working on real estate and just other stuff. But I make more videos about whatever that can help anybody grow. Any questions anybody have, it's all good. Um, Anybody that is trying to buy stocks for the first time, I'll leave a link in the description or whatever of this video. So you click me. I use Robinhood. I'm gonna start looking at some more platforms just to see the differences. I haven't been, investing for a long time. I think I started in March. I studied them and I kind of followed stocks for years. Just haven't, I just didn't start until March. So, I wasn't really scared. I just jumped right in. And so, you know, like I say, subscribe, what I'm saying, and hit like, share it to your friends because we're going to discuss a lot of things dealing with finance, real estate, investing, building wealth, all that. So, enjoy y'all, the rest of y'all morning, and catch you on the next video.